Hi everyone, and welcome back to Elora Fashion Institute's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this trendy cowl neck top. Firstly, we're going to begin with our body measurements. I'm going to be using my dress form to show you the measurements that we need to take. So firstly, you need to get how deep you want your neckline to be. You're going to be starting from this place I just pointed, which is the center back, the tip of your center back. You're going to start there and you're going to measure it to the point where you want it to be. At this point, what I have is 20 inches, but then I'm going to reduce it to about 18 inches. Now this is what I mean. I'm going to show it to you so that you can see. If I hold my 20 inches together, that would give me 40 inches, and then I place it across my neck around it. This is how deep the cowl is going to be. But then if I reduce it to 18 inches, which is 36 inches, this is how it is going to be. So I think I'm going to be using 36 inches just so that it is not too revealing and I can comfortably wear it and my breast wouldn't be out there. So after that measurement, starting from the same tip of your center back, you're going to measure the top length. For my top length, I'm going to be using 26 inches. 26 inches is quite short, so if you want yours to be longer, you can go ahead and use as much as 30 inches or 36 inches, or as long as you want it to be. So the next thing we need to determine is where we're going to be putting the strap for tying the waist together. You can also call that the armhole. So we're still going to begin from the center back, and then you're going to go across your armhole like this, and then you're going to stop at the point where you want to attach your rope. And that is basically all the measurements you need. So it's not as if it's necessary to draft this on paper first, but just for the sake of clarity, I've decided to draft it on paper before transferring it to the fabric. So here I am writing down the important measurements that I need, which are the top length of 26 inches, the cowl neck of 36 inches, and the waist of 18 inches, or you can call it the armhole of 18 inches. So my pattern paper is already 25.5. I'm going to use the entire pattern paper of 25.5 as my top length instead of 26 inches. I'll transfer the rest to the fabric. Here I'm going to go ahead and measure my 18 inches, and I'm going to do the same here. 18 inches. I'm going to connect it using a straight ruler. This 18 inches is for the depth of the cowl. Now the next thing I need to measure is the armhole length. We can also call it the waistline, and for me it is 18 inches. I'm going to go ahead and mark out my 18 inches. Then I'm going to get my curve ruler and curve it out. Please use as much as 20 inches when you're making yours, because after I did mine, I noticed that the length reduced a bit. So when you're making yours, use as much as 20 or 21 inches. So now that I'm done marking the important measurements that I need, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. The next thing we need to do now is to place our fabric on fold, and then we're going to place the pattern on top of it and cut it. Remember, what we used for the depth of our cowl neck is 18 inches, and that 18 inches is because it's on fold. The actual length we need is 36 inches, so 18 times 2 is 36 inches. I'm going to go ahead and place the pattern paper on top of the fabric, and I'm going to use pins to hold it down. Sorry, I couldn't wait for pins. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excesses. I'm going to be cutting it out, leaving 1 inch allowance all the way around. This is because I'm not turning it with a lining. I'm going to be doing hemming for them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. So this is what we have. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to drag down the neckline just so that you can see what it looks like. This point right here is where we're going to attach our strap. So you need to close it up, right side facing each other, and then you're going to run a stitch across like this in a triangular form. You close up the tips, and then you're going to measure as high as you want it to be because it's going to fold. Mine, I want it to be around 6 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off the excess and then sew it a little bit. Then after sewing it, this is what you're going to have. I've gone ahead to join it together, as you can see. And yeah, this is what I have now. This is the depth of my cowl neck, and this is the blouse. So the next thing I need to do is attach my strap. I'm going to join it to the both sides. Now I made the mistake. I would have come down a little, but I still maintained my 18 inches, but I would have come down a little, which is the reason why I told you that whenever you want to do this, you can use 20 or 21, 22 inches for yours. So I've gone ahead to join the straps, and this is what I'm having. The next thing I need to do is to hem all my parts. So I'm going to go ahead and hem this neckline first, this circle part. I'm going to go ahead and do a tiny hemming for it. Now after hemming this part, I'm going to go ahead and hem the sides and also hem the bottom, and that is basically it. This is a very simple top, a top that you can make under 10 minutes. You're done cutting and you're done sewing it. So yeah, that is just it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, do let me know in the comment section, and please consider taking the corrections that I gave you. And this is what mine turned out after I finished sewing it, and that is it. So see you in my next video. Bye bye, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.